Yes, Lord. TopperzstoreUSA. Get down. What in the mail call do we have here? Y'all know I love my animal mascot logos. You know I love me a nice rooster. And this one's dipped in gold. Why did a chicken cross the road? So it could be on a new era hat, bitches. Oh, this one lays golden eggs, you whores. Yo, this hat is so dope. All navy crown, white outline rooster. Look at that gold and that red. I know you're wondering what team it is. I'm gonna tell you, it's the Naturals. Woo! Beautiful crown. Look at this thing, man. This is an everyday wear. This hat is hooked to a soccer player named Mbape. Woo! I love it, man. I love the details, man. Yes, sir.